Hello everybody, this is Dr. Dan Poopery. I am your professor for BME 303L this semester. I'm going to make a series of videos for all the software you need to have installed in this class. So there's a bunch of different pieces of software. I'm going to reuse this introduction piece for all the videos. So let's just get to it. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the main Canvas page. You'll see this software button. Go ahead and click on it, and it will give you a list of all the software you need to install along with the days I want you to have it installed by. Okay, next on our list is Mendeley. I'm also going to do this one on my Mac just like I did Office because I already had Mendeley installed on my PC, so we'll just show you again how we can do it on either Mac or PC. So if you go here, there are two links. One is for the actual reference manager that we need, and the second one, this Mendeley site, is for a plugin to Microsoft Word that we can use our references. So we'll just start by downloading the reference manager. And all we have to do is click on download now. And it will give you your, like I have Mac OS, so if you have Windows, it'll say download now for Windows up here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and install Mendeley into applications, and we're ready to go. Okay, so what wants you to log in with your email and password. I already have set one up for me. Some students have said they've had issues with their UT email, like it gives you some sort of warning about your institution or something. If that's the case, just go ahead and log in with your own email, like a Gmail account or whatever, your own personal email or whatever you want to use. It's just a way around that if you have issues using your UT email. All right, and so the program came up. I already have a bunch of references in here because I've already added a bunch of articles to my Mendeley. And that's why you log in, because then it saves from device to device all the references and all the papers that you wanted to save. But as long as you have the Mendeley Reference Manager come up, you know you're in good shape and you're working. We'll talk more about how to use it in class. Okay, there's one last thing you'll need to do with Mendeley, and that is to install the Mendeley plugin for Microsoft Word. You actually may not have to do this because I think it already came installed when I installed Microsoft Office on this Mac. So let's take a look. If I go to Microsoft Word and I just go over to References, I see there's this Mendeley site button. So if I click on it, it's going to want me to sign in. And so I'm going to click on that and then use my Mendeley sign in on this. Okay, and it will bring up all the references that I had over in my Mendeley application. So this is working and I'm good and I don't have to do anything. Now if you don't have this Mendeley site already installed in Word, you can easily install it. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So there's a couple ways. Number one is just from the Mendeley Reference Manager itself. If you go to the Tools and you say Install Mendeley Site for Microsoft Word, right, it will bring up this website that says Get Mendeley Site Now. The other way is I left a link on here directly to this Mendeley site, so you can click on that. It will take you to a Mendeley page and click there, and it will take you to that same page where we can get the Mendeley site. Right, so you can go ahead and click Get It Now. You want to give permission, continue. And then you're going to log in with your Microsoft 365 login ID. So I was already logged in, that's fine. So I would go ahead and click Open in Word. But since I already have it installed, I don't need to do this. If you don't have it installed, just click Open in Word, and then you'll be good to go. And when you open Microsoft Word, then you should see under References this Mendeley site add-in. Click on that, log in, and you should be good to go.